Good morning, everyone. In today's class, I will teach you how to introduce yourself as if in a interview. I will be presenting myself. I, Dr. Sridevi Kiran, working as a professor in the Department of Management Studies at Kejar College, Bhimavaram. I have 23 years experience in teaching field and 1 year experience in administrative works at Kasturi Management Consultancy at Hyderabad in the year of 1996. Come to my education background. I complete my 10th class studies in Air Care FH School, Bhimavaram. Secured second division with 55% in the year of 1988. I completed my intermediate HEC group at Kejar College, Bhimavaram. Secured second division with 55% the year of 1990. And I completed my degree IREPA group at Kejar College, Bhimavaram. Secured second division with 58% in the year of 1993. I completed my PG, Master of Human Resource Management at Kejar College, Bhimavaram. Secured first division with 60% in the year of 1995. To enrich my knowledge, I did MBA, Specialization Marketing at Nagarjuna University, and I occupied first division with 62% in the year of 2012. I did my PhD at Andhra University under the esteemed guidance of Professor DBRNK Banerjee. Sir, title A Strategic Approach to Human Resource Practices, a case study on Delta Peppermills Limited, Bhimavaram, in the year of 2010. My teaching experiences. Okay. I worked as junior personal officer at Kasturi Management Consultancy, Hyderabad from 1995 to 1997. Then I worked as assistant professor in the Department of HRM, Kejar College, PG courses from 1997 to 2010. In 2010, when I finished my PhD, I was promoted to the position of associate professor in the same department. I worked till 2012. And later, after finishing my MBA, I worked as associated professor in the MBA department from 2010 to 2017 and was promoted to the position of professor in the same department in 2017. Present, I am working in the same department as a professor. Then I published a book internationally titled A Strategic Approach to Human Resource Management Practices associated with a Lambert Publishers, Germany, in the year of 2017. Next, I wrote 3 articles in the year of 2015 titled Globalization and its Impact on Women Workers in India, which was published in International Journal of Management and Social Sciences, and Employee Empowerment, a Means of Efficiency and Productivity, International Journal of Multidisciplinary Education and Research, and also Exit Interview and the Global Scenario, which was published in International Journal of Multidisciplinary Education and Research. And I wrote the socio-economic profile of lace workers of Naspur, West Godavari district, AP. Was International Journal of Academic Research in the year of 2017. I presented a paper titled the Role of Women Leadership Issues and Challenges in Organization at UGC National Seminar on Work on Women Empowerment Issues and Challenges, Kejaral College of Bhimavaram. And GST and its impact on various sectors in organization at UGC National Seminar on the implementation of GST on Indian economy, issues and challenges, Kejaral College of Bhimavaram in the year of 2018. I have attended several seminars, conference, workshops, and I am one of the member in National HRD Network at Hyderabad chapter. Okay. I am one of the guest faculty at Kejaral College of MPT Engineering College, taught Management Science paper during the period 2011 to 2015. And I am one of the part-time faculty at Kejaral College of Pharmacy, teaching soft skills paper 2010 onwards. I have to conducting soft skills training program at Kejaral College of Pharmacy, Bhimavaram. My academic activities conducted seminars and distributed prizes at the Department of Management Studies, Kejaral College of PG courses, Bhimavaram. And offered best student awards basing on performance and Department of Management Studies, Kejaral College of PG courses, Bhimavaram. My social activities is participation Sankranti Sambral at Kejaral College of Bhimavaram, and submitted report on protection and prevention of women at CA office, Bhimavaram. Okay, my achievement, I was felicitated in the very same college I studied on the occasion of international book publication. My hobbies, I would like to wishing my well-wishers, specifically every New Year day with plants. My objective is with my experience and knowledge, I would like to bring a major change in the education system by implementing innovative ideas. As I am intelligent communicator, I would like to interact with lots of people and work as a self-motivated person for planning, organization procedures and practices. Thank you.